Okay, so I wanted to come to give you guys a hair update on the HerGivenHair. As you can see, I took it out. It was terrible. Thank God it did not break my face out. So I wanted to show you guys my hair compared to doing the crochet. And as you can see, I have two HerGiven Hair, excuse my green hands. I have two HerGiven Hair clip-in extensions, which I colored this pretty green color, but all I have is two extensions, so my hair actually looks like the full crochet, as you can see. So the hair was super itchy the next day after laying on it, because you know that is the true test. I should be able to lay on it. I did tie it up, but when I woke up the next morning, the hair was so matted together, like I couldn't bring it back to life. And so that was it for me. That was a deal breaker. I couldn't bring it back to life. So I took it out. And I made sure that I didn't have any blisters in my head or any open sores. And I didn't break out. So for you guys that are asking about my skin breaking out, it did not. So, you know, if you want to try the hair, I would actually suggest the Curlkalon in the hair store. I've heard great things about it. I'll actually do another tutorial on that hair, trying to help you guys out on some store-bought crochet hair that compares to Curlkalon and Latch and Hook. But it is a no-go for the HerGiven. So yes, y'all, a definite no-go. So let me show y'all how I get my hair to look like that crochet style. I'm going to actually use some colored HerGiven Hair extensions. These are the curly extensions. I bleached them, and now I'm adding this pretty green rinse to them. Then, of course, I'm going to separate my hair because it is tapered on the side. I'm going to use some Eco Styling gel just to gel that back. And for the rest of the style, I'm using just some simple coconut oil and the argan oil foam wrap from Cream of Nature. So you guys continue to watch. I'm going to be finger coiling my hair and just lifting it up with a pick. It's super simple, but I want you guys to see how similar my hair looks to the crochet style. The HerGiven Hair clip-in extensions come with 6 extensions. I'm using 2. That is all I need for this style, but you can also add more if you want to. And I'm using the ones with the 3 clips on them because it's the perfect width for the middle portion of my head. I don't have to cut it and ruin the clip-ins. So I back comb this section of my hair where I'm going to clip in the extensions to. You can braid it, but for me this works. And because my hair is wet, I definitely want these clip-ins to be secure while I do my twisting. So back combing is a good tip. And again, I used 30 volume developer in bleach to lift, and then I added the Express Kiss color in a K22, which is an emerald. And this is the color that it came out. And you see the variations of green because of the variations of lift from the extensions. Be sure to add some conditioner after you do this. Okay, y'all, so she is getting all picked out and separated and, you know, getting her together, and bam, there she is. Now, you cannot tell me. Listen, HerGiven has nothing on this here naturalness. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to, you know, invest in some curly natural hair extensions, HerGiven Hair is the business. Go ahead and click that link in my bio, and of course, live life on purpose with purpose.